In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase volume in Zoom. If your Zoom audio sounds too low during meetings, calls, or webinars, don't worry. Zoom includes a built-in speaker volume control, and I'll walk you through exactly where to find it and how to adjust it so you can hear everything more clearly. Start by opening the Zoom Workplace app on your computer. Once the app is open, sign into your Zoom account if you haven't already. After that, look to the top right corner of the Zoom window and click on your profile picture. This opens a menu with several options. From that menu, select Settings. Inside the Settings window, click on Audio. This is where Zoom lets you manage both your microphone and speaker preferences. In the speaker section, first make sure the correct output device is selected. For example, if you're using headphones, external speakers, or your laptop's built-in speakers, you'll want Zoom to be sending audio to the right one. If the wrong device is selected, the volume may seem low, or you may not hear anything at all. Next, click Test Speaker. This plays a sample sound so you can confirm that audio is coming through the selected device. If the test sound is too quiet, move the output volume slider to the right. Sliding it to the right increases the speaker volume within Zoom. Make small adjustments and test again until the sound is at a comfortable level. If you're already inside a Zoom meeting, you can still change this without leaving the call. Look for the arrow next to the mute or unmute button. Click that arrow, then choose Audio Settings. From there, find the speaker output volume control and adjust it the same way by moving the slider higher. If you're using Windows and you want to raise only Zoom's volume without affecting the rest of your computer audio, there's one more option. Right-click the speaker icon on your taskbar and open Volume Mixer. In the mixer, find Zoom and increase its volume specifically. This is especially useful if your system volume is fine overall, but Zoom is still quieter than other apps. That's all it takes to increase volume in Zoom. Just make sure the correct speaker is selected, test the sound, and raise the output volume as needed. If necessary, use the Windows Volume Mixer for more precise control. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.